Africa. As long as you grease the wheels in Africa, you grease the wheels. There's no issue.
The gold mafia is bigger than the government, bigger than any of the authorities.
So Africa. So episode 2 of Gold Mafia is out, and I didn't expect to be feeling sad and to be feeling sorry for the perpetrators.
There can't be no issue. And this protection is number one. Now the greasing of the wheels, we are going to figure that out ourselves, using this team to make sure that everybody's taken care of, everybody's happy, and things move without questions being asked. There is no way, it can never happen. How can questions be asked when these people are happy? They can't.
Because, I don't know, for some reason, yes, they got busted, but I didn't expect me to feel sorry for them, because there is a lot of desperation out there. A lot of people are so desperate to do whatever they can to look a certain way. I think this is like our problem as Africans, as young Africans. We want to get whatever we can get no matter what, right? So episode 2 of Gold Mafia is so sad to me, and I didn't expect to get emotional to just see people's secrets revealed, and in some form I do feel sorry for them. Like, I just feel like so sorry for these guys. And to think most of them, they're not gonna face any consequences. They're not gonna lose their livelihoods. I was like trying to find any video of any of these guys apologizing or trying to set the record straight, as people always say they do. But none of these guys have come forward. They all deny. And it's just so sad. It's just so sad, this Al Jazeera documentary. If you don't know what I'm talking about, please go check. Search on YouTube right now, the Gold Mafia. These are like well-known people that are using the Christian faith to deceive people, because you would think that some people are rich because they are being blessed by God. Meanwhile, they are stealing from you, stealing from your pocket. This is why I now have to turn and direct this video to you guys who are Christians. First of all, as a Christian, you must know, what does the Lord say about things of this world? If maybe you are chasing being riches of this world, what does the Bible say? What does God say about it? You know what I mean? So a lot of people have been deceived into thinking that they are gonna be rich. I mean, there's nothing wrong being rich legitimately. Instead of stealing people who are really suffering, people who are really needing the help, people who are desperate for real help. And then you have somebody rich and they are being shown on Forbes magazine to be rich and young, or young and rich, whatever they say. So what do you think of the second episode of Gold Mafia? And do you have any suggestions? What do you think the way forward should be? Because I feel like a lot of these guys, they're not gonna face any consequences. They're not gonna lose their money. Do they even lose sleep over this, or it's just some sort of a thing that will pass away? That's something that we'll all forget in like a month or so, weeks.
We want to be very clear. We are pro cash rich.
Excellent.
It's embarrassing. It's not rich.
Good, I like embarrassing cash.